Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 18th of December, and we're glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the pair euro to dollar tested the borders of the side range of 1.1830 to 1.1750 several times, but failed to consolidate beyond them. Though the results of the Fed's meeting acted against USD, they prevented the bulls from raising the price to November maximums at 1.1940. Currently, the price is near the lower border of the range. In case it is broken down, further reduction to 1.1700 and 1.1640 may be possible. Still, resumed growth and the continuation of price movement within the range of 1.1830 to 1.1750 seem more likely. MACD histogram is about to move to the negative zone, and Stochastic is directed downwards. Fundamental events of the week include statistics on CPI in Eurozone and US GDP data for the third quarter of the current year. In general, the price is likely to move within the said range. Last week, the pair pound to dollar had mixed dynamics. Growth at the beginning of the week changed into fall after negative data on inflation and the meeting of the Bank of England. Still, the pair failed to consolidate below the level of 1.3330. Currently, the key level for the bulls is 1.3375 that meets the middle line of Bollinger Bands. Its breakout will open the way for growth to 1.3460 and 1.3520. In case the price consolidates below 1.330, the fall may continue to 1.320. Technical indicators show the possibility of reduction. MACD histogram is reducing in the positive zone, and Stochastic is reversing downwards. Fundamental events of the week include the data on British GDP for the third quarter of the current year. Currently, a fall after the breakdown of 1.330 seems likely, but one cannot exclude growth as well. The pair dollar to yen last week was corrected to the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 112.30. In case of its breakdown, the fall may continue to 111.20. A breakout of the level of 112.90, meeting Fibo correction of 50.0%, will open the way of the price's return to 113.85. Technical indicators don't give a clear signal. The volumes of MACD histogram are low, and Stochastic is trying to reverse upwards. Fundamental events of the week include the meeting of the Bank of Japan and its decision on the interest rate. Generally, the growth of the price after the breakthrough of the level of 112.90 is possible, but fall may resume as well. Last week, the pair Australian dollar to US dollar grew to the level of 0.770. If this level is broken out, growth may resume to 0.7780. However, the possibility of downward correction to 0.760, 0.7545 and 0.750 is also not excluded. Technical indicators give mixed signals. MACD histogram is about to move to the positive zone and form a sell signal. Stochastic is reversing in the overbought area and may form a buy signal. Fundamental events of the week include the release of the minutes of the recent RBA meeting. In general, fall seems more likely, but one cannot exclude growth if the level of 0.770 is broken out. Last week, the quotes of gold were growing. Right now, they're aiming at the level of 1264.0 and 1277.0. In case the level of 1248.60 is broken down, the fall of the price may resume to 1238.0 and 1220.0. Technical indicators give a possibility of growth. MACD histogram is reducing in the negative zone, and Stochastic is directed upwards. Generally, growth may continue, but downward correction is not excluded. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading!